Hey everybody, Right Polo Tech here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Fin PF10 Silenstream Power Filter. I also have the replacement filters also. I bought a 12-pack of those because you're supposed to replace them every month. So anyways, I'm going to be installing this on my son's. My two kids have this aquarium. This is in one of their bedrooms, but by the way, if you want to check out their YouTube channels, check out the link at the top of the page here and you can get to their YouTube channels. They do some video gaming and they also do some animation stuff and it's fun. So anyways, just give them a quick shout out. So anyways, let's get down to it here. So as I said before, this is an existing tank. This isn't the first setup. This isn't the brand new tank setup. We've had this tank for a few years now. We had these goldfish in there for several years now. They're big and fat and happy. But anyways, the old filter system totally stopped working, just crapped out on us. So I bought this new one and I'm going to show you how to install it here. So basically what's in the box is you got the filter system here. You have this little extension tube that's also, it kind of guards to make sure that fish don't get sucked up in there. And it just attaches to here. You just kind of pop it on and snap it up a little bit and it can free rotate. And then inside here you have this filter, which is the same filters that I bought extra of, the 12-pack here. Take your filter and rinse it underneath the sink just to get any dust that's in there out of it from the activated charcoal. That one of those comes with it. And then also there's another filter here that just kind of, it filters big stuff and it also allows just a little bit of flow through. So let's go ahead and start installing it here. So I'm going to pop this top off here, and we just cleaned this tank, scrubbed the sides down and agitated all the stuff out of the bottom. I purposely made the water cloudy and full of gunk kind of floating in there because I want to show you guys once we install the filter how well it's going to clean it up and make it look pretty. Take the twisty tie here off of the plug. And I'm not going to plug it in quite yet, but I am going to feed it down to where my plug is down below and get it ready. I don't want to have it sucking air through this filter. It would be better if I put a little bit of water in it first, so that's what I'm going to do. All right, so I'm just going to take a little bit of water here, dip it out of the tank here, and then just fill up the inside of this until it starts leaking all the way out. That way it's not trying to suck air and just having to work with no water in there. That can't be good for it. All right, so now that that's full of water in there, I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. And I'm just going to put just a little more water in there to help it out to get started. And it's working right now to suck up through that until it gets coming out of there. And you can adjust this knob right here for more water being sucked up or less water being sucked up. As you can see, it's really quiet. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in on it here for you. And you can see how cloudy the water is right now. And like I said, I did that on purpose just to show you what it's gonna look like here after it's been running for a little while. Another nice thing about these filters is some of the filters that you buy, you have to actually take the activated carbon, pack it out, pour it down in there, and put a little clip on this, and put on the new outer sheath and everything. This is all completely already enclosed with the activated carbon inside of it already, and it's all closed. So what you do is you just completely throw this whole thing away, and inside the replacement filters, you just grab out a new one. All right, so this is a view of my fish tank here. with the water super agitated up, and I got all the gunk out of the gravel and everything else just to make it super cloudy and nasty looking, just to show you here in the next hour when I come back, I'll show you how clean and clear and pretty it is with the new filtering system. So this is 1 hour later after having the filter in. And just to show you that this is not movie magic, I'm gonna pull out the filter here and show you what it's actually captured here. So yeah, look at that. Beautiful. All right, so there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button for me. Also, subscribe to the channel. Check out my other videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.